Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Shakur and today we are going to solve problem 3.2 from Johnston book. We solved a similar problem in the previous video, but this time the question asks for something different. So let's dive in and go through the solution together. First, let's read the question together. Problem 3.2. For the cylindrical shaft shown, determine the maximum shearing stress caused by a torque of magnitude T equal 800 Newton meter. From last question, we know the basic formula we have. Tau max is equal Tc divided by J, which J for cylindrical shaft is equal P divided by 2C to the power of 4. In another way, we can say for the cylindrical shaft we have tau equal 2T divided by P C to the power of 3, which here we have T and P. T is equal 800 and P is 3.14, and also here we have C, which is equal 0.018 meter to the power of 3, and it's equal 7.328 multiplied by 10 to the power of 6 Pascal, which is equal 87.3 approximately equal 87.3 megapascal. That's it.